Welcome to Glowbom. In this video we will be creating a bot wisdom for everyday. Choose chatbot and enter the name of your project. Press the pencil button to open the editor. Enter your texts and add answer options. To add a voice or change the color of the application, go to the settings. Also, you can give a name to your bot.
Hello there. Did you know that owls are also good at giving advice? Pick a number between 1 and 99. Where there's a will, there's a way.
Now let's deploy our web application to a hosting. You can use any hosting you like. For this app, we use Netlify. Let's export the data file in source code. Now let's put the data file in the assets folder. Next, let's change the icon. You just need to drag and drop your icon files into this folder. Finally, let's drag the web build folder to Netlify. Alright, there we have it. Now let's open the link and test our chatbot.
Heyo, I may be an owl but I'm actually really smart and give great advice. Pick a number between 1 and 99. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Better late than never.
The next step is to add the app icon to the home screen. To do this, go to the browser on the phone, open the app link, press share and add to home screen. Here you can change the app name. Great, now your web app looks exactly like a mobile app.
Heyo, I may be an owl but I'm actually really smart and give great advice. Pick a number between 1 and 99. Don't bite off more than you can chew. If you want something done right, do it yourself.
Thank you for watching the video, and let us know if you have any questions. I wish you the best of luck building your app. See you on glowbom.com. Take care.